In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Trailhead account in Salesforce. We'll move through this setup together so you can start earning badges and learning Salesforce the right way with everything tied to your existing Salesforce login. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Trailhead website at trailhead.salesforce.com. This is Salesforce's official learning platform, and it's where all your progress, badges, and points will live once your account is created. Give the page a moment to load, and make sure you're on the official site before proceeding. Look to the top right corner of the page and click Sign Up. This opens the options for creating your account. Choosing the right sign-up method matters because it determines how your learning history is tracked and how easily you can log back in. From the options presented, select Sign Up using Salesforce. This connects Trailhead to your Salesforce identity, which helps keep things seamless, especially if you work in Salesforce daily. It also makes it easier to carry your learning progress with you across devices and sessions. You'll now be prompted to log in with your Salesforce account. Enter your Salesforce username and password on the familiar login screen. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may be redirected to your company's login page. Just follow your usual login flow. After you authenticate, you might see a quick prompt asking for permission to connect your Salesforce account to Trailhead. Approve that to continue, and there you go. Your Trailhead account is created and linked to Salesforce. You should land on your Trailhead home or profile, where you'll see options to start modules, trails, and projects right away. If you want a clean experience from the start, you can keep an eye on the top right corner of the page to confirm you're logged in with the correct account. A few quick tips to make your experience smoother. If you don't see the sign up button, you might already be signed in. Try refreshing the page or logging out and back in. If your browser gets stuck during login, opening a private window or clearing your cache usually helps. And if you plan to learn across multiple devices, bookmarking trailhead.salesforce.com now will save you time later. That's all you need. You went to Trailhead, clicked Sign Up, chose Sign Up using Salesforce, logged in with your Salesforce account, and you're ready to learn. Enjoy exploring modules, complete hands-on challenges, and watch your badges stack up as you grow your Salesforce skills.